launching into our notes for today, we're looking at multiplying and dividing integers. And of course, then our goal is to skill-based be able to multiply and divide out these integers. And so we're starting off with the first one. We're going to begin by focusing just on multiplying two numbers. And so to count, if we multiply integers with the same sign, so we have a positive multiplied by a positive, or we have a negative multiplied by a negative. If the signs are the same when you multiply two, your answer will be a positive result. So 2 times 4 is 8, and negative 2 times negative 4 is also positive 8. Multiplying two numbers with different signs, so one of them is positive and one of them is negative, such as positive 2 times negative 4, the signs don't match, or negative 2 times positive 4, again, the signs don't match. That will result in an answer that is negative. And it doesn't matter where that negative occurs. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And negative 2 times positive 4 also equals negative 8. Of course, extending what we already know, the product of anything times 0 will equal 0. It doesn't matter if it's positive 2 times 0 or negative 2 times 0, it's still 0. All right, so starting with our first example then. Negative 5 times negative 8. The signs are the same. What does that mean for the answer? It will be positive. So we have 5 times 8 gives us positive 40. Negative 8 times positive 7. The signs are different. That tells us that their product will be negative. So 8 times 7 equals 56. Different signs tells us negative 56. Negative 51 times 0. 0, because the product of any integer and 0 will equal just 0. Okay, continuing further, what's 7 times negative 12? 7 times 12 will equal 84. Should it be positive or negative 84? Negative, because the signs are different. Negative 9 times negative 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. Should it be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, because the signs are the same. Negative 250 times 0. Negative 4 times positive 11. Negative 44. And we're done. You notice how there's basically no work whatsoever? Provided that you can do the multiplication. If you had to think about what's 12 times 7, there's nothing wrong with going through and doing out the multiplication to get the 84 part. It just depends on how much of the multiplication you can do in your head. The rule for dividing is absolutely identical. It is exactly the same. If the signs are the same, your answer is positive. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. And 0 divided by any integer is still going to be 0. Please notice that saying 0 is the front number. 0 divided by 12 will equal 0. 0 cannot be the second number, though. You can't take 12 divided by 0. That's not possible. It's not defined. So when we start crunching our numbers, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 8 divided by negative 4, because the signs are the same, it's still positive. When the signs are different, that's when you get a negative. Negative 8 divided by positive 4 would equal a negative 2. And again, positive 8 divided by negative 4, the signs don't match. So it's a negative. 0 divided by 4, 0 divided by negative 4. It doesn't matter if it's positive or negative for that second number. 0 divided by any integer will equal 0. Now, continuing our second example. Negative 63 divided by negative 9. The signs are the same, which tells us our quotient will have to be positive. What is 63 divided by 9? 7. For problem B, positive 24 divided by negative 4. Well, 24 divided by 4 is going to give us 6. Should that be positive or negative? Because the signs are different, the answer does have to be negative, as you noted, Brendan. 0 divided by negative 2. 0. 0 divided by any number, any integer, well, except 0, will equal 0. Continuing further, 0 divided by negative 43, just 0. Positive 32 divided by negative 4. How much is 32 divided by 4? And should that be positive or negative? Why should it be negative? Signs are different. Negative 28 divided by 7? Negative 4. Signs are different. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Negative 38 divided by negative 19. Well, 38 divided by 19 will equal 2. Should that be positive or negative 2? Positive, because signs are the same. That's really it for dividing integers. Just make sure that you're paying attention, signs the same or different. And we're looking at them only with 2 numbers at a time.